If you're a business owner who needs help with delegation, you're not alone. As a certified public accountant, I'm constantly hearing from clients that they have too much on their plate, but they're hesitant to trust others with their business. Specifically, many business owners need help with delegation as it relates to accounting tasks. If this applies to you and you're interested in learning how to do this while still retaining control of your growing business, you've come to the right place. I'm Hector Garcia, and I partner with QuickBooks to share some tips on how to scale your growing business. Before we get started, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the QuickBooks channel for more videos like this. If you want to learn more about delegation while retaining control of your business, visit the link below for a more detailed article. Most business owners and CEOs of growing businesses will admit that delegating is one of the hardest things in their growth journey, mostly because of the uncertainty around losing control. I can assure you that it's not as hard as you might think with the help of customizable user permissions in your software. Every time a new user is added to your business's accounting system, you might fear that either one, too many people have access to too much information, or two, they might change some of the information that's already there. That's the principal reason many business owners tend to put way too much on their own plate instead of delegating to employees. In reality, the more people that can access the accounting system as needed pertaining to their job, the better. When more team members have more information, completing tasks becomes a team effort. But expanding system access to more team members can increase anxiety around losing control. Think of it instead as a way to empower your team, or to use a sports analogy, build a bench of trusted employees. Business owners with deep benches have told me they are ready to shift their focus to bigger and higher growth projects when their team can manage their day-to-day even better than the owner could. For instance, let's take an employee that should not have access to payroll details, but is in charge of making other payments from the bank account. If they can see that the balance is running low after running payroll, that person can quickly take action. Being able to monitor bank balances without necessarily having access to specific payroll check information is a safety net. This sequence helps avoid a potentially disastrous situation where a key vendor doesn't receive a payment, resulting in an important service failing to be performed. Proper task delegation will ensure that employees are clear on the specific roles they play within company processes. You can use task delegation to separate the responsibility as your teams grow, empower your team members to focus on role-specific tasks through limited data access, preventing the wrong data from getting into the wrong hands, and help minimize financial fraud with internal controls. For more information on delegation and retaining control of your business, check out the links in the description below. Before you go, hit the like button and make sure to share it with someone who will find this helpful. Thank you for watching.